Hey everyone, Mrs. Lake here, and I am going to give you what the finished product for your figurative language foldable should look like. And then once you are done with it, you can put it all together and put it here in your notebook. And I'm going to give you each of the definitions, and you can pause the video, write your definition down, color code it, and then put it back into your little pocket. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to cut out all of your little different figurative language posts. The first one we have here is metaphor. Metaphor is going to be blue. So you're going to want to color code metaphor with blue. A metaphor. These should all be reviewed for you. A metaphor is a comparison of two unlike things by saying one thing is a dissimilar object or thing. For example, Max was a starving hyena devouring everything in sight. Max wasn't literally a hyena, but they're saying he was, and it's a metaphor. So go ahead and you can pause this now to write this information down. And you slide it into your little pocket like that. Next, we have simile, which will be red. Simile is a comparison of two unlike things using the words like or as. It's a comparison of two unlike things using the words like or as. She wilted like a thirsty flower when a teacher corrected her grammar in front of the class. So it's a comparison of two unlike things using the words like or as. And that's a simile. You just put it here behind metaphor. Next, we have hyperbole. Hyperbole is yellow, and it's an exaggeration that cannot possibly be true. I hated camping, and now there were a billion mosquitoes in our tent. Hyperbole is an exaggeration that cannot possibly be true. Next is personification. Personification is giving human qualities to non-human things. The ancient car wheezed its last breath and refused to move another inch. Personification is green, and it's giving human qualities to non-human things. The ancient car wheezed its last breath and refused to move another inch. Next, we have idiom. Idiom is pink. Idiom is a group of words whose collective meaning is quite different from their individual literal meaning. While walking the dog, I stopped to shoot the breeze with the neighbor. An idiom, which is pink, is a group of words whose collective meaning is quite different from their individual literal meaning. While walking the dog, I stopped to shoot the breeze with the neighbor. That's an idiom. Next, we have alliteration, which is purple. Alliteration is the repetition of the same initial consonant sound in a series of words. Alliteration is the repetition of the same initial consonant sound in a series of words. Carrie cooked cupcakes in her sister's kitchen. That's alliteration. Next, we have allusion. Allusion is brown, and it's a reference to a person, place, or event from literature, sports, history, movies, or the arts. Allusion is a reference to a person, place, or event from literature, sports, history, movies, or the arts. My Uncle Norman is such a Scrooge, he wouldn't even leave a tip for the waitress. Again, that is allusion. And finally, our final figurative language term is onomatopoeia. And it's onomatopoeia are words whose sounds suggest their meaning. For example, the shaken soda fizzed out of the bottle. So onomatopoeia, which is orange, stands for words whose sounds suggest their meanings. Like the shaken soda fizzed out of the bottle. And those are your terms for the figurative language.